sign. Cat. Sorry. Coco Love. When an animal learns to talk, what? First one is a KT. This is okay. We're going for the corners today.
Thank you, Sir Justin. How are you?
Wow. First time you ever read Russian, this wasn't there. Come on.
Ayan, from Philippines.
First one is a KT.
Thank you, Nina. Thank you, Sir Justin. Thank you so much.
And noticed a large cut of meat that looked disturbingly like a human leg. He panicked and ran out of the store to call the police. When officers arrived,
thank you for the heart gift talks. Thank you.
That's when things got even darker. Police arrested the entire store staff for questioning, and during the interview,
thank you so much.
Employees said the owner had been
Hendra, thank you, Hendra, for the heart
That's when they discovered something disturbing. His wife had been missing for 3 days, but he had never reported her disappearance. He acted like he didn't
care. Thank you, Hendra.
No panic, no emotion. Then he admitted that 2 days earlier, he had found out his wife was cheating on him. Shortly after that, she disappeared.
Good morning.
Police went back and searched the store.
Hendra.
That's where they found the owner's wife, barely alive.
Thank you.
Right leg. The lab results confirmed that the leg found in the meat section actually belonged to his wife. An old man in the youth.
Pour the gummy bears into a hot pan, along with half a cup of water. Then stir them until the bears.
Thank you.
Next, pour the liquid into a bowl and use a cake mix to whisk it for 10 minutes.
What?
Until
Oh my God.
fluffy. Line a pan with
My
baking
tummy.
and sprinkle it with
You know my
sugar.
tummy.
Then pour the mixture on top. After 12 hours, cut out a square and toast it over a fire. Then swish it between chocolate and graham crackers.
Oh, plat. Plat. Hindi naman plat.
Pour the gummy bears into a hot pan,
Masikip lang
along
to.
with half a cup of water. Then
Masikip. Masikip tong suot ko eh.
Next, so we didn't know there's more than 100 people quarantined on a boat right now.
Hi, hello.
Virus in the middle of the ocean. A new virus that can't rats that everybody's scared of right now. Every Minecraft player needs to know this. How do speedrunners build a nether portal so fast? First, they place a temporary block and put water next to it. Then they break that block to create the base of the portal. Next, they place 6 blocks in a specific pattern to build a frame where you can place water at the top. Now, place lava next to the water to turn it into obsidian for the portal frame. After that, break the stone blocks underneath and replace them with lava to finish the bottom of the portal. Every Minecraft player needs to know. That's why MotoGP riders are tougher than Formula 1 drivers.
Guys, heart me, please, heart me. Guys, heart me. Hendra, thank you.
Moments like this are why racing is so unpredictable. That's why MotoGP riders are tougher than.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Kuya Den. Thank you. Uy, hindi ako nakatupis. Grabe naman kayo. Masikip lang to suot ko. Hindi ako nakatopis. Hindi ako nakatopis, guys.
Some kids without families are home and split them into 2 separate groups. The first group was repeatedly told that they were
Hindi ako nakatopis, no?
they were super confident and had
Ano lang yan?
while at the same time, the second
Look.
group was constantly told that they were terrible. They told them their speech was awful and that something was wrong with them. And the results are insane. After weeks of conducting
Yeah.
real problems. Some of them completely stopped talking altogether.
Ay.
Went on to carry intense anxiety.
Mga mata niya.
Scientists later named this experiment the monster study because before ever entering the study,
Ang mga mata niyo. Ang mga mata niyo.
there was once an experiment so
Mga anak ko, kasama ko yung mga anak ko. Tulog pa. Ang isang bunso ko nanonood.
A web bubble blocks all attacks until someone breaks in. This gives players enough time to heal or pearl.
Uma, thank you.
If you try to break the bottom web, your opponent can just look up to instantly replace it. So to stop that, place water or a button to turn their safe healing spot
Thank
into
you
a
so
critical.
much.
Try hard to keep.
Guys, heart me, please heart me. Send me heart me. Guys, manifest my gallery, guys.
Okay, I'll
Nighty stand. Hello, Nighty.
How make that mental, dude? Are you on something? Yeah, we need to keep a tab on you.
Hey, ano?
Make that stop.
Harry, thank you so much, Harry.
I promise I'm fine. You need to get some help. I don't want to stop playing.
No, I'm not in speak Indonesian.
Babysitting a 6-year-old named
Thank you.
burst open downstairs.
Sir Justin, thank you so much.
CPS, emergency removal, open up.
I
But
do,
CPS
thank
doesn't
you. Can you
show up
follow?
unannounced. I knew he was lying to get us to go downstairs.
Thank
so
you,
I knocked
Aldo.
on the door. But when I looked at Lucy, she was trembling like she knew something I didn't. And then I heard heavy
Thank you
footsteps
so
walking
much,
down the stairs.
everyone.
Back and forth, and the voice came again louder this time. Court order, open up or we breach. I peeked through the blinds. No agency car, just a strange sedan at the curb.
Aldo, thank you.
Staring at me like I was his prey. My heart was racing, and Lucy kept trembling and crying. Then the rattling stopped, which somehow scared me more. I called her stepdad Denzel, told him everything, and begged him to come home. That's when Lucy.
I'm from
She said
Philippines.
she knew the man at the door. It was her real dad, and her mom and stepdad didn't let him see
I'm
her.
from
I grabbed the mailbox
Philippines.
at night too, promising I'd protect her. Tear gas came pouring down the stairs, seeped under the door, and my eyes and throat caught fire. That's why the rattling.
Thank you so much for the rose.
My hands shook, but I didn't have time to react before a hard kick rattled the door.
Oh,
Then
my.
and I had to hold it together for her. I told her, we're going out the window, onto the roof. We crept over, and the sedan at the curb was empty now. This was our chance. I lifted Lucy onto the ledge and climbed out after her. We slowly
Thank you,
walked
everyone. Everyone heart me. Manifest of my gallery, guys.
She had one foot on a branch when she froze. The man from the sedan was below her, smiling up at us. Every other side of the roof dropped straight to
Oh, hindi ako buntis, look. Oh, buntis ba yan? Buntis? No.
So I yanked Lucy back up, and we tumbled through the window, hugging each other.
Oh.
Door rattled. We were going to die. I heard the screech of tires. Denzel's car. He ran straight into the house, right through the cloud of gas. One more
Sam, hello, Sam.
the door swung open, and Lucy's real dad came charging right at her. I stood in front of Lucy to shield her, but he shoved
Thank
her
you,
so hard.
Sam.
And then he grabbed Lucy by the arm and turned to run. But Denzel was already at the doorway, and he punched him square in the face.
Ox, welcome, Ox. Thank you,
Slammed
Ox.
into the wooden corner of the bed frame. Blood started pooling underneath.
Thank you, Ox.
Lucy up. Then we all ran through the tear gas and didn't stop until we were outside. I was babysitting a
Someone spent over 16 years typing every number from 1
Thank you
to
for the heart me, Ox. Thank you.
An Australian man named Les Stewart started an insane personal
Hello, Ox. Thank you.
tried to write every single number fully in words.
Ox, thank you.
He worked about 1 hour every day for 16 years and 7 months. Destroyed 5 typewriters. Used around 1,000 ink ribbons.
Thank you for the heart me.
On December 7th, 1998, ending with the words 999,999. 1 million. The achievement was officially recognized by Guinness World Records and honestly proved human.
Thank you so much, everyone. Nice to see you.
Homer drops his donut, dough. Homer spills his soda, dough. Homer drops his donut, dough.
Guys.
Homer spills his soda, dough. Homer drops his donut, dough.
Sir Salmon.
Homer drops his donut.
Thank you for the rose.
Homer spills his soda, dough. Homer drops his donut, dough. Homer spills his soda, dough. What if he were realistic?
Thank you so much.
Nothing happens. He stays the exact
Ayaw.
same.
Nataba ko, guys.
Destroy the grass, leaving each row behind. And the more you walk on the shows until
Thank you for the heart, me, Sir L.
them just by walking back and forth, so the ground itself remembers where you are. And this also works if you walk and say, if you stop.
Yeah, wrestler yan. Wrestler.
Back to your, what if he were real?
Most people didn't notice this about Spot. When Spot tries to steal the ATM machine,
Guys,
it looks like he doesn't know
ano yan,
how to use
guys?
his powers properly. At first, he even seems kind of dumb and confused.
Thank you, Sam, for the, thank you, Sam.
Smart. When he realizes he can't steal
Sam,
the
thank
ATM
you.
using portal powers, he places soda cans on the floor so he can roll the ATM machine out of the store more easily.
Come here and I want to wrestler you.
For the first time, he calls him a
Yeah.
cow or a Dalmatian, and later, when he catches Miles and pats him, he even says, "Good cow." But here's another hidden callback. In the first movie, Miles' dad makes fun of a restaurant
Wrestler.
called Foam Party. And the interesting part is, later in the movie, Miles and Spot crash into that same place, and it ends up getting
Craziest optical illusion I've ever seen.
Wrestler nga ako eh. Nag-boxing nga ako guys. Boxing.
But as you turn behind the character, he slowly disappears and becomes.
I'm training boxing
How they
guys.
do that, but then there's this avatar that attaches a bunch
That's
of
why I'm very big.
when looking at you. The eyes will follow their camera looking super crazy. But the best might be the infinite.
That's why I'm very big because I'm training boxing.
Infinite on folks. Craziest
Her child accidentally fell right into the storm drain, is what she told the police. So they
Yeah, I love rice.
sifting through trash, desperately looking for any sign of life. But there wasn't anyone inside. You see, the woman couldn't stand the
I love
trash
rice.
coming up the drain.
Eating, that's why my body is big.
Complaints about it.
I'm good.
So she
I'm
made
good.
up this fake emergency to tell the police, and after just a few hours of searching, the drain was left totally clean. Her child.
Hmm?
I can't wait to go home.